Hey there, mulberry enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the delightful world of mulberry tasting, and you're invited to join in on the fun. So, let's get started. Mulberries are a fruit that are not only delicious, but also packed with health benefits. They have a sweet taste and a unique texture that sets them apart from other fruits. Their color and appearance are simply breathtaking. Now, here's where you come in. We're on the hunt for the most mouth-watering, tooth-staining description of what mulberries taste like. So, if you haven't tried them yet, or if you have a unique take on their flavor profile, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting food adventures. And remember, life's better with a little bit of sweetness, so go ahead and indulge your taste buds with some fresh mulberries today. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.
Halika guys, try na natin. Ito na guys, tatry na natin yung ating Black Giant na mulberries. Ang dami nag-iintay nito eh. Tinatanong kung ano ba lasa ng, daw lasa ng Black Giant, kung matamis ba o hindi ganong katamis yung texture niya. O ito na guys, itikman ko na para sa inyo. Sobrang lambot niya guys. May naiiwan siyang pulp. Ayan o. May naiiwan na pulp. Tapos ang lasa niya, malambot. Medyo matamis lang siya. Siguro gawa ng ulan-ulan. Di siya ganun katamis. Pero para sa akin, masarap. Tingnan nyo guys, tumatasik yung juice sa camera. Punasan muna natin. Yan guys, tumatalsik yung juice niya. Sobrang ma-juicy. Susunod, ito ang pwede natin gawin na pang juice. Kasi kakaiba yung kanyang lasa at saka juice ng mismong mulberry. Ayan. Tsaka yung mga ganitong may red ng Black Giant, tikman natin. Masarap. Hindi ganun kaasim. Ang kaibahan lang ng Illinois ay malutong, crunchy, tsaka matamis. Etong Black Giant, ano lang siya, mild lang ang taste. Siguro pag ano na talaga siya yung sa summer, matamis talaga to. At malalaki. Ayan. Yung iba yung mga pumupunta sa amin, pinapatikim namin yung mga bisita namin dito. Mas gusto daw nila ang lasa ng Black Giant. Ayan lamang guys. Magandang araw. Bye.